ideas with low capital. Doing an online business is one of the best ways to make good income, especially at times like this we are in the world. In fact, if most big companies have a way of taking all their businesses online, ranging from having automated apps or softwares that can do for them all they desire to get them back to work, they will be more than happy to pay. I will show you few online businesses that can make you good money here in Nigeria and the world. Number one, start a blog. There are few blogging websites you can go register and start blogging for free, and one of them is called theblogger.com. You can also get your own website by getting a domain and host. WordPress is the most readily and familiar one I know and use for my website, and it's not so costly to get a domain and host. It's around $38.84 to get one. There are many ways you can make money from your blog. You can make money from AdSense. You can make money by putting up your products on your blog and selling them online and a host of them. Blogging needs a great amount of patience and hard work before you can start making money. Blogging is a very vital aspect of online business. It is the greatest tool for brands and fans or community building. Yes, it works for almost every type of business. Blogging will expose and show your real self and business actions to your loyal readers. If you are planning on starting an online business in order to make more sales and increase your brand awareness, then having a blog should be the first thing on your mind now. You will not only make more money having a blog, but you can also use your blog to build your brand and position yourself as an expert in your business. To guarantee your success in any online business, you must first master the act of blogging. If you want to start a blog, you can click on the link below in the description box. The next on our list, the social media influencer. You can grow your social media account. Check on YouTube. Learn how to grow on social media because the YouTube is better than any university because you learn very important things here for free. If you gain enough influence within your network, say on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you can build a business around it as an influencer that works with a brand to promote products and services on your account. The likes of Kylie Jenner, a 22 years old lady, is crushing it as an influencer. Kim Kardashian West, a 39 years old woman, she is really crushing it as an influencer. So, being a social media influencer is very profitable today. Number 3 in our list, for the third one and the final one on our list. You can start writing ebooks if you are a good writer and have a good idea in mind. You can write your own ebook. Get it published at online platforms like Amazon. There are many other websites also that you can use to publish your ebook. Check my description box. You will see them. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Share our videos to your friends and family via social media. Thank you and one love.